Do you have a mess at your front door? Do you need somewhere to put all your crap?
Then you probably need a bench just like we did. Whose shoes are at the front door?
Well, those are my shoes. We need to put them in something. Trash bag, big box, tiny elephant, or an entryway bench.
Yeah, how about a shoe bench?
All right, all you're gonna need for this project is two 1x2 by 8 foot, one 1x3 by 8 foot, one 1x4 by 12 foot, one 1x12 by 12 foot, some pocket hole screws that are 1.25 inches, and some hinges. We use some hidden hinges. You'll also need some paint, some glue, a Craig jig, some pencils, a drill, and an impact wrench.
And your safety glasses.
And your safety glasses. Alright, all of our cuts are done. We have two 1x12 by 30s, two 1x4 by 30s, two 1x2 by 30s, two 1x4 by 8.25, two 1x2s by 8.25, one 1x12 by 36, one 1x4 by 36, four 1x3 by 17.25, and four 1x2 by 17.25. Now it's time for some pocket holes. So the 17.25s get some pocket holes, and the 8.25s get some pocket holes, and the 1x4s by 30s get some pocket holes, and so do the 1x2s. All of our cuts are done, all of our pocket holes are drilled. Now it's time to assemble it. We're gonna use our 1x3s that are 17.25 inches long. And we're gonna use a 1x4 that's 26.5 inches long, and a 1x2 that's 26.5 inches long. We're gonna go ahead and put the 1x4 flush with the top of the bench, and we're gonna come in 2 inches from the bottom to put that bottom support. We're using our 1.25 inch pocket hole screws and some glue. Now that our front and back are assembled, we're going to go ahead and do the sides. The sides are going to look just like them, except a little shorter. We're going to use 1x2s by 17.25. We're going to use a 1x4 that's 8.25, and a 1x2 that's 8.25. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to bring the 1x4 flush with the top, and we're going to bring the 1x2 2 inches from the bottom, glue them, screw them down.
started to do the assembly, we realized when we put the end to the side, we were missing a pocket hole. So now we're gonna add those.
Once we gave them an additional pocket hole on each side, now we're able to glue and attach the front and back. Attached in the bottom of the drawer. Maybe snorted. I'm gonna say tuck myself and my phone in my basement.
My team supreme, stay clean. Triple beam, miracle dream. I'll be that.
I'm ready.
Okay, we're going to install the shelves. There's a bottom shelf and a bottom of the drawer shelf. Ready?
We gonna glue it?
Oh, we gotta glue it first.
If I did, ain't no problem to get the gap where the true players at. Throw your rollies in the sky, waving side to side, and keep your hands high while I give your girl an eye. Player please, lyrically, nigga C, B-I-G-B flossing, jig on the cover of Fortune, 500. Here's my phone number, your man ain't got the know. I got the dough, got the flow down, pizzazz, platinum plus, like Zizak, dangerous on Trizak, leave your ass pizzazz.
Alright, we got the bottom of the drawer in, the shelf. Now it's time to do the top with the hinge. Alright, time to do the top. The top is actually two pieces because it opens up. So we have a 1x12 by 36 and a 1x4 by 36. The 1x4 will be the attached piece and allow the lid to open. That's why we gave this drawer a bottom. Alright, we're going to use 3 hinges, so we're going to find the middle and then measure out a foot on each side. Just time to put it on top.
Excuse me.
Alright, now that the hinges are in place, time to just tack it up top. Alright.
We're just gonna stain it and paint it. We're gonna use classic gray stain for the top, and I'm gonna try this spray chalk paint for the bottom.